Okay, so coming, so yesterday class everyone attended. Yesterday class everyone attended. Yesterday class.
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be teach about this information. It's nothing but HTML. Okay. The people who did not attend the yesterday class, kindly please check the recording, previous recording. Coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be teach about LWC, LWC HTML. I'll start with HTML and CSS. Tomorrow I'll start with JavaScript. Later on, I'll discuss further topics one by one. I'm sharing my screen and let me try to discuss HTML. First of all, you need to install three things. One is Google Chrome, Visual Studio Code, and also live server. Okay, to see the output. Yeah, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so just you need to go to Visual Studio Code and you need to download the Visual Studio Code. So everyone got an access for the drive or did not got? The people who registered. I think Ajanke, you got an access for drive.
No. Till
Parameshwar.
now, not get.
Okay, fine. Today you'll got an access. Okay, for the recordings, whatever we are teaching. So we'll upload the recordings. So we'll get an access. Yeah, the people who
Okay.
registered. Yes. Okay, it's my screen. Like you need to install this Visual Studio Code, and also notes will be uploaded day to day regularly. Also, yeah, you need to click on this particular Windows 10 11 and you need to install download. Yes, you can able to see the download option. Yeah, you can able to see this download option immediately. You can download this particular Visual Studio Code, whatever it may be. Yeah. So previously I installed the Visual Studio Code. That's why it is been opening here. Yeah. You need to just download the Visual Studio Code. After downloading the Visual Studio Code, okay, just you need to click this. Okay, click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. For me, I completed previously. That's why I'm not clicking on install. Okay, for you, you can click on install. I'm saying again to everyone. For you, you need to click on install. I'm not clicking on install. Yeah. Let me try to search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me try to create a new page. Okay, so under the desktop, let me try to create a new folder: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm creating the new folder with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So click on File and click on Open Folder. Just I'm clicking on Open Folder. I'm opening this particular folder. Yes. Everyone able to say I opened this particular folder successfully? Everyone able to see? So normally
Yes.
Salesforce with Visual Studio Code, Salesforce with Visual Studio Code, it is a different. Here we are teaching different. Here we are teaching HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So first of all, let me try to create some first page. .html. In LWC, automatically HTML, JavaScript, and XML will be created. You created a LWC component. I created the page, and you need to install the live server to see the output. Okay, the next step is you need to see the live server to see the output. Just to click on extensions, search for live server. Okay, so previously I clicked on install. That's why it has been showing disable and install. For you, it will click on. For you, I'm requesting everyone to click on install. Then you can able to install this particular live server, whatever it may be. So I created some Word file to show this particular installation part, whatever it may be, in step-by-step manner. I created some Word file for LWC installation part. Yeah. So first you need to install the Visual Studio Code. After that, you need to install the live server. Is nothing but it is used for showing for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah. Live server is used to install the HTML, CSS to show the output for HTML and CSS and JavaScript, not for LWC. I install each and everything. Let me try to start the process. Okay. Normally, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is so many things, but what are the things that have been essential for LWC? Let me try to discuss that particular part. Ending with HTML and inside the head tag, I'm mentioning the title. Okay, inside the body. Okay, I'm mentioning each and every tag. If you click on go live, immediately you can see the output. If you click on go live option, immediately you can see the output. Only for your reference purpose, that nothing just I'm showing all these particular things in Salesforce. It is different than LWC. Only for reference purpose, you learn some more 10% of LWC fundamentals. Yeah, that's it. In LWC, it will be started with template and ending with template. Yeah. Okay, just I'm using tags div. Hi, I am learning HTML. You can able to see the output. The same thing. Everyone able to see the output.
Where you click
Yes.
to see the output?
Yeah, this is the output. Is my screen is shareable to everyone? In the
Yeah,
Google
yes.
Chrome, I'm showing output. So it's a front end. LWC is nothing but a front end user interface. Okay, what are the things? Just you type it under the scripting log with the same thing, it will be reflected.
From this Visual
Here we are.
Force, how we can go to output? Do you need to no go to Visual
I'll
Source
show it
code?
again once again. Okay.
Yeah. Do you need to click on right click here or
No, 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 no. Are you able to see the go live option here under top down? Go
under?
live.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Click
Yeah.
this.
Okay. That's what I'm not able to see.
Okay, fine, fine. Normal LWC execution is different part. Okay. Everyone I'm saying. So we have paragraph. Let me try to P. Just to write the paragraph information, whatever it may, we have P tag. You can able to see. Just if you click on save, immediately it will be reflected. That's why it is showing live server. Okay, live on live. Okay, like we have different types of headings. Like we have H1. Okay, you can able to see the output. Yes. Everyone able to see the output. This is heading 1, heading 2. Just H1 is nothing but it is been highlighting the text. H2. It is decreasing the text. Yeah, like this. In Apex programming, if you need to understand the logic. But here, whenever you see the logic, just only you can understand 20 to 30 percentage. When only you can see the output, then only you can able to understand somewhat. You can clear. Okay, just to display the image in LWC, just you need to upload the image to the backend. After that, you need to import it like that. You need to do. But here, just you need to use. After that, you need to use IMG tag inside LWC. But here I'm using IMG tag. Okay, I'm uploading the images from this Pixel website. Just this is the URL. That's it. Okay, out of 300, 200 images. It is not loading. HTTPS photos not photoed. You can able to see. Okay. See, out of 300 images, 200 images have been loaded from the Pixam photos URL. Yeah. Everyone able to see the images?
Yes.
Yes.
If you click on one by one, it will come.
Yes, in LWC, like we need to upload it to static resource. After that, we need to import it to LWC component. Like that, we need to implement it. Yeah.
Venkat, what is 200/300?
Your voice is slow, Sirisha.
Hello.
Yes, Sirisha, your voice is low. I'm not able to understand.
Okay, what is 200 in the URL?
Yeah, out of 300, 200 images have been loaded one by one. You can able to see. Okay, you can able to see. Like out there are 300 images in the Pixam. That 200 images have been loaded one by one. That's why I mentioned 200 by 300.
Okay,
In
one is
LWC,
displayed at a
the
time.
case is different. Okay, we need to upload to the static resource. After that, we need to import it. Here, just only for reference purpose, I'm using img tag to store the details. Okay. Yeah. Whenever if you click at this particular link, immediately you'll navigate to infosys.com. Yeah. When you click at this particular link, immediately you'll navigate to infosys.com. Just I'm clicking this particular link. You can able to see I'm navigating to the infosys.com because I placed Infosys. Yeah. In LWC, I'm saying again, in LWC to represent the tables, we'll use lightning hyphen data table tag. Okay, we are using lightning hyphen data table tag. Okay, just I'm displaying the data lightning hyphen data table tag. Okay, we'll display the details. But here the case is different. Okay, we are using table tag inside HTML. Okay, just I'm representing the headings. And I'm representing the values also. In LWC, just we'll retrieve the data dynamically, account data, contact data, opportunity data by using fx class. After that, I'll display the data. But here, just normally for your reference purpose, I'm showing. We'll not use all these type of tags. But it's not that much of attractive as compared to LWC. You can able to see the output. Yes. Everyone able to see the output. But in LWC, you can able to see. I created the similar table by using lightning hyphen data table tag. It's somewhat attractive, more attractive as comparing to this. Everyone able to see this? Yeah, like this, the data has been displayed dynamically. but here the case is different. Yeah. And we have two types of lists. Okay, we have two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Okay, we have two types of lists, an ordered list and unordered list. Okay, we have two types of lists, ordered list and unordered list. Yeah, ordered list, you can able to see the different. Okay, I'm showing ordered list and unordered list. One is nothing but it will show in dots and one is used to show in Roman format. You can able to see. Okay, you can able to see it. Everyone able to see. If it's an unordered list means it will show in dots. Okay, if it's an ordered list means it is showing in Roman format. Everyone able to is like 1 2 3 like that. Am I audible to everyone? I'm not getting any response from anyone.
Yes.
Devi, Sharan,
Yes.
Pooja,
Yes.
Reshma, Ajinkya. Please unmute your mic and you can. Kavya. Kavya, you're able to understand?
Yes, 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 madam.
Okay, fine. Yeah. And another thing is, like we know, okay, as per our requirement, we know we need to create some input boxes. Okay, for a customer has to enter the data on that particular thing. Okay, in LWC, how the things and in HTML, how the things. Let us see these particular things. In LWC, in HTML, how to create input box. Okay, inside the form tag, you need to mention each and everything. Okay, you need to mention each and everything. Okay, if it's a text. Okay, I need to break. For example, if I'm giving another input box means I need to give the break label first name. Okay, I need to give the break. Then only the boxes will be divided. You can able to see it. Then only the boxes will be divided. Is everyone able to see? First name and last name information is divided.
Yes.
But in LWC, okay, you don't need to give like this. No need to give the break, all these particular things. I'll tell you how. So you need to use a lightning hyphen input, and no need to give the label separately. Here only you can give the label. Okay, label first name. Yeah. And for example, if it's a last name, just you need to copy this text and you need to give the last name. Yeah, like this you can give it. But here the case is different. It may take some complex here. And anyone know the radio buttons? Radio buttons.
Yeah,
So we
yes.
have male, female, like this. Huh?
We can able to check one at a time. Radio buttons.
Yeah, radio buttons. Not radio buttons. I'm not asking data types. You got my point? Radio buttons.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
You
madam.
can able to see it in the website. So here you need to mention input type is equal to radio for radio buttons. Okay, I need to use a label. Okay, CSS, JavaScript. Just I'm creating the radio button. You can able to see the difference. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. See in LWC you need to mention lightning input type is equal to radio. That's it. Yes. Okay, you can able to see HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Anyone know the checkboxes? Checkboxes. You can able to see. Even when you are learning admin part also you can able to see. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. You need to mention. In LWC we need to mention lightning hyphen input type is equal to checkbox. Yeah, in LWC you need to mention lightning hyphen input type is equal to checkbox. Okay, mentioning car, aeroplane, all these things. You can able to see the difference. Now you can able to see the output. Yes, everyone able to see car, aeroplane. It's a checkboxes. These are all the things denoted as a checkboxes. And another things.
Venkat, sorry. What is the difference
Yes,
like radio buttons and checkbox? Is it the
radio
same?
buttons you
Like
can
tick
no radio buttons you can click only one, but checkboxes you can
only
click
one?
multiple.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
from the among multiple things you can click on one. Okay, in the UI page, but in these particular things, checkboxes you can select multiple things. Like languages preferred. Languages English, Telugu, Hindi like that you can select. Okay, gender you can select one of the thing like that. Anyone remembered pick list? Pick list in admin part. Like we have rating
Yes.
hot, warm, and cold. Anyone remembered?
Yes.
Anyone remembered?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
So you need to
Problem.
understand the notations. If you understand the notations, you can easily do the task. Whatever you can easily search in. Okay, our component library and outside of the Google you can. It will be called as a lightning combo box. In LWC, we'll call it the lightning combo box. In future upcoming classes, I'll teach each and everything. Then you will get some understanding. If you practice, if you did not practice, means it's difficult. I'm requesting everyone to practice. Okay, lightning hyphen combo box. Okay, here the thing is different. Yeah, I'm selecting the options. Okay, you can able to see the data. Yeah. Everyone able to see? Volvo, Toyota, Tech cars, you can able to see the data?
Yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Like it's rating hot, warm, and cold. Anyone remember? Rating hot, warm, and cold. Anyone remember? Okay, the same thing. Just I implemented here also in some scenario. LDS wire adaptation somewhere. somewhere I implemented this type of scenario. Yeah, in upcoming classes I'll show that, no worries. Like we have buttons, save button, cancel button. Anyone remembered we have button, save button, cancel button? Like when you're saving the account record, contact record, opportunity record. Anyone remembered?
Yes.
Okay, the same thing if you want to implement in LWC, lightning hyphen button tag. In everywhere you need to use a lightning hyphen tag, that's it. Here the thing is different. Let me try to mention. Okay, on click of this particular button, okay, you'll get some alert message. Hello world. Okay. On click of this particular button, you'll get some hello world. You can able to see it. Okay, you can able to see the output. I'm clicking on click me button. When you click on this, you'll get some hello world. Everyone able to see hello world?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I want to display the birthday just normally. Okay, I want to display the date. Okay, label. Okay, just I'm mentioning input type is equal to date. Date. Then immediately it will display the date, whatever it may be. You can able to see this. Everyone able to see input type is equal to date. In LWC
Yes.
we'll call as a lightning hyphen input type is equal to date. Yeah. Yes, this is the thing. Anyone have any queries on all this particular part? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries?
No.
Okay, I'll share this file after completion of the class. I'll upload it in the drive. Okay. Okay, I'll upload it. No worries. Yeah. Anyone have any queries? Still. Anyone have any queries on HTML? Everyone is clear?
Venkat,
Yes,
Venkat,
please. Yeah.
one doubt. Yeah, in regarding the radio type,
Yeah, input type is equal to radio. Yes.
here you have given three options, right? And we will be seeing these three options on HTML page. But what
Yeah.
if we have to select CSS by default?
By default means you need to mention type is default like we have that
Selected something
search.
like that?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. By default radio button need to be selected. Everything. So we have, yeah. So see, checked is equal to true like this.
Okay.
You need to mention. Okay, like previously everything whatever we need everything. Okay, you can able to find out in everywhere. Checked is equal to checked.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can copy
Okay.
this. Okay, checked is equal to Are you able to see automatically it is clicked?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Everything you can able to find out. Okay, like we have a good resources now. Presently, ChatGPT also came arrived. Due to that, everything we can easily find out the things, and we can easily apply the things whatever it may be. Yeah, just you need to know the main agenda, how to apply all the things. If you know all these particular things, you can easily do the things whatever it may be. Yeah. Okay, this is about some information about HTML. There are so much concepts in HTML, but don't require all the things. Whatever the some of the things essential for LWC, more than that I discussed. Okay, now let me try to discuss CSS also. What is the full form of CSS? Anyone?
Cascade styling sheet.
Yes. Yes, CSS full form is cascading style sheets. So CSS has been discussed as like a selector. Shiva has been came to the today's class. Shiva. Okay, so CSS will be selector. Just you need to discuss. It means you are applying some styling to the text whatever you created. Okay, there are three types of selectors. Okay, one is element selector, ID selector, and class selector. Okay, what is element selector, what is ID selector, what is class selector? I'll tell you one by one. Okay, element selector in terms, for example, inside the HTML, if you discuss the tags like this. Okay, denoted the peak. Hi, I'm learning. If you design the tags like this. Okay, if you want to apply the CSS for this. Okay, by using that appropriate tag name. Okay, I'm denoting. I'm applying the color to red. Okay, I'm applying the font size to 20 pixel. Okay, like this. Based on the tag name, I've been applying the CSS. Based on the tag name. Yeah. For example, if it's a ID selector by using hash notation. For example, if you have 100 p tags or 10 p tags, I'm learning HTML. Inside your HTML, so we have 100 p tags or 10 p tags. 3, 4, 5. Just imagine we have this many p tags, but I want to apply some CSS to one of the tag. Okay, let me use a hash notation. Okay, just I'm applying color to red. Font size to 20 pixel. What happened this one? Everything has been went to redirectional. Yeah, fine. Okay, just if it's ID selector. How many types of selectors are there? How many types of selectors are there? Three types:
Three.
element
Three.
selector, ID selector, and
Yes.
class selector. Okay, if it's element selector, I indicated, and if it's ID selector. Okay, for example, if you have 10 p tags inside your HTML, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, for example, if you are applying ID, okay, for example, if you want to apply CSS to one of the tag whatever which is presented, okay, you need to use ID, you need to use a hash notation. I'm saying again, you need to use a hash notation. Okay, just I'm using hash notation. Don't worry how to apply all this. Like we have no people don't know this. Okay, like we have W3 schools. Anyone know about W3
Amma.
schools?
Yes,
Anyone
Venkat.
know about W3 schools? Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
just you can go to W3 schools or you can go to other websites. Just you can apply the CSS, whatever it may be as per the requirement. Aruna, one please unmute your mic. Okay, based on the requirement, just you can apply it. If it's a ID selector, we can use a hash notation. And if it's a class selector, we are using a dot notation when the class selector. For example, if you have 10 p tags, okay, from these 10 p tags, I want to apply some CSS to some of the tags. Okay, then styling will be applied when it is a dot notation. Then for this particular p tags, whatever I mentioned styling, there I can able to see. Okay, like this each and everything will be applied. Just only for your reference purpose I'm showing you. Okay, for this particular first p tag it will be applied color, second third p tag will be applied, 4 5 6 7 and eighth p tag it also applied. But if it's ID select only uniquely from the among each and everything, one p tag here I'm applying, okay, uniquely from the multiple tags. But here like three or four tags whatever it may be as for the selectors which are presented. Yeah, anyone have any queries? Can I go to practical?
Venkat, scroll up,
Venkat,
Venkat.
Huh?
Scroll up. Go to the first one.
Is it Kavya?
Yes, yes, Venkat.
Okay. This is the ID selector.
For element, we'll be adding.
Element means I discussed it, just I erased it previously. Okay.
Yes.
For example, if you have one P tag, P tag or any tags, just only for indication, I'm showing. Okay, you need to apply the P and you need to apply the CSS.
Okay, 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 Venkat. I got it, got it.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
so Venkat,
Okay.
uh,
Yes, please.
irrespective of any selector among these three types, the attributes will remain same, right? Like color, font size, background color,
This
text
remains
type.
same. This remains same.
Okay.
This remains same.
Oh,
Yeah. And
okay.
also there
This
are two types.
representation is different.
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
there are three types of stylings. Okay, inline styling. Okay, internal styling external styling. Okay, like in internal CSS is been not been used in the LWC. Inline styling and external styling only been used in the LWC. External styling means externally you'll create some CSS file. Inline styling means inside the h1 tag, whatever it may be, like we'll apply the styling. Yeah, let us see this inline. For example, if it's inline styling, okay, we are applying the styling here only. Okay, just I'm applying inline styling means internally on that appropriate tag we are applying some styling. You can able to see the output. Sorry, able to see the output?
Yes.
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 Inline styling means internally you are applying the CSS whatever it may be. External styling means you'll create a separate CSS file. Let me try to create a separate CSS file. Okay, normally in HTML and CSS, whenever you are linking, you need to link the CSS. Okay, but here no need to link the CSS. Okay, I'm saying again. Okay, you need to link the CSS, but in LWC no need to linking. Automatically it will be linked. What is my dot slash style dot CSS? Just I'm applying the tags. Okay, you need to link the CSS. Normally in LWC no need to interlink the CSS. I'm saying again. Okay, this is class selector. Okay, I'm mentioning this is class selector. Or this is class 1 or this is class 2. Like this I'm mentioning. Yeah, I'm copying it. Let me try to apply the CSS from my style.css. Okay, I'm applying the font size 20 pixel. Color, just I'm mentioning casual yellow green. And background color aqua. And ID selector. Okay, background color. Just one of the color, just I'm mentioning. Okay, if it's a ID class selector, how we can indicate class selector? Anyone kindly please tell me how we can indicate the class
Dot
selector?
dot
Yes. Font style, just normal I'm mentioning all these things. Don't confuse. If you have any queries, just you need to go to copy and paste. Don't analyze more on this. W3 schools. Background color, text align, font family. Okay, In LWC also we'll get the CSS. If you want to text decorate, okay, if you want to shade the text, each and everything. So we'll not get more like this effects and like this, only some things. Color, border style, background color, font size, font style, like this only. Okay, just I'm applying red and color. I'm applying green. Okay, again I need to go to this HTML. Just I need to open from the live server. Click on go live option. You can able to see immediately it will be connected. Everyone able to see the output? Border style. Okay, that says this is ID selector. It will be indicated as like a thick color. Anyone have any queries on this?
Venkat, like when to use ID and when to use class? Any
So
specific?
coming to the class, for example, if you have multiple tags, okay, from that multiple tags, you need to apply some styling to some of the tags, same tag, some of the tags. Okay, like for example, if it's ID, for example, if you have multiple tags, from that you need to apply uniquely only one p tag or one tag, whatever it may be. You need to then you need to use ID selector uniquely. So unique ID, whatever it may be, on that particular time you need to use. Yeah.
So these selectors won't include for this radio type or checkbox, right?
Yeah, we can apply CSS for that also. Yeah, we can apply CSS for that
Oh,
also.
okay.
Just only see these particular things, it's fine, quite enough. Don't
Okay.
analyze more on this, because in LWC we learn more things. Yeah, on exact
Okay.
whatever we need. Yeah. Anyone have any other queries?
No, Venkat.
Is it okay? Everyone, I'm getting response only from some people.
Yes, Venkat.
Pooja.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, this is about some information about CSS and HTML. Anyone have any other queries? Sharon, Reshma, Harsha, Sarodika, Swapna, Kavya. Any queries to anyone?
No, Venkat.
Sharon, Shivani, Shravani, Devi. Any queries? Pooja, Kavya.
No, no, Venkat.
Clear? Okay, fine. This is about the HTML and CSS. Only JavaScript is pending. So JavaScript will take 2 days mostly. Then I will start the thing which is nothing but Visual Studio Code. Okay, coming to the JavaScript. So JavaScript is nothing but a scripting language. Inside the JavaScript, there are different types of concepts are there, like variables, data types, spread operator. Let me try to discuss tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'll start the JavaScript and let me try to explain each and everything related to JavaScript tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, I think today is Tuesday. Tomorrow JavaScript I'll discuss, and Thursday also I'll discuss JavaScript. After discussion of JavaScript, there we have some time. Then I'll discuss the Visual Studio Code installation part related to how to connect Salesforce with Visual Studio Code and what are the other ways to create an LWC component. That particular part I'll discuss, and that is our first day class for on Thursday mostly. Okay, on Friday onwards LWC will be discussed one by one in Friday in upcoming classes. In every day I'll discuss LWC. Yeah, this is about
Today,
today's class team. Yeah,
can we
Nagaraj, yes.
install Visual Studio?
Yeah, install Visual Studio Code. Okay, connecting Visual Studio Code with Salesforce I'll discuss in Thursday. Okay,
Okay.
I'm stopping the recording.